and mo ye privilege. We are privileged. You are the first. A shame before. Monsieur Okumase, your friend Ansu Gyeabour. One more question. Ahmed Suale. Yes, you are privileged. Make Ansu Gyeabour. Yes, yes, Ansu Gyeabour.
Anna, police phone.
Krom haya Jimmy o. Krom haya Jimmy papa. We are very stupid. And we deserve every form of misfortune. Very stupid. Somebody makes a statement, a blanket statement. Say onim obi awokum obi efeno Ansu Gyeabour oti Kumasi. Quickly, the idiots and buffoons decided to just go do lazy job. Google Ansu Gyeabour, and because of the issue I had with the Ghana police, of which they have even apologized, of which the report will be out very soon, you saw me as the easiest target, right? That I was declared wanted because a supposedly big man who thinks that he's untouchable, who thinks he can bribe, he can pay, decided to defame me. Now the truth is out. You go out there, pick wanted by for what do you call defrauding by false pretense, which happened on the 10th of January 2020. You saw over hundreds of Ansu Gyeabour. So no, this one is the easiest target. You publish me that I killed somebody. I went to Kumasi Academy. I left Kumasi around 2005 to 2006. The longest I have stayed in Kumasi has been a week or two. People are quick to have the breaking news. Oh, we found him. And then you use just 1 second to tarnish somebody's reputation. You forget that I have a wife. You forget I have children. You forget I have business partners around the world. Over what? Lives? Over views? My picture is all over the place that I killed. What if the family of Ahmed meets me somewhere and they stab me? What will happen? What have you achieved? I have 3 children. Is it not stupid? What's sorry, I must say Trini Jonas. We are stupid. I just did this video because the calls coming and the messages coming from friends, family, is just too much. I just want you to be at peace. I am here, and you know me. All those that know me, that they know that I can't even. I can't even, what do you call it, kill a fowl. Ahmed Suale, minimuno. I trade oil and gas. I'm an oil and gas trader. I have nothing, like, I have no relationship with any media, whatever investigation, because oil and gas, and yet, what do you call it, tomatoes, I advertise. We don't even advertise. I don't know who Ahmed is. I don't know whoever the fuck is. I don't care. The first person that did that news said my guide, my life guide, whatever. He apologized and then wrote a retraction. No, that one, people will never see that one and share. They will never see the one and share, but they will rather get what will dent. That is why I say, in Africa, the most wicked bunch are Ghanaians. I have traveled all over, and I'm telling you, the most wicked bunch are Ghanaians. We are interested in the downfall of our brothers rather than what will uplift us. We are wicked. When we look at Nigerians and say Nigerians are this, and Nigerians are the best people you can have. When the issue of me being wanted last year broke out, people stupid people, and Nigerian will rather come close and say, Chale bro, I want to be like, can you show me the way? Unlike Ghanaians, very quick to destroy, very quick to destroy. I'm a no name wa hefa Kumase nipa ne kan say Ansu Gyeabour moko hu Ansu Gyeabour bi a oye judge no and someone use Ansu Gyeabour no. There are other Ansu Gyeabours. Why didn't you use them? Because an idiot published me. So you saw Harris to be this Ansu Gyeabour to be the easiest target for you. All those media houses, we are coming after you. All those people that have shared it, put it on their Facebook pages, the cyber crime units at the what do you call it? Police headquarters. They are monitoring Facebook. They are monitoring everything. And I hope that nobody will come and tell me stupid stuff like oh, say where they are clear with the people need to learn. People need to learn. We've come from far. It is sometimes, be grateful to God for us. Thank God for our lives, where we are coming from, and what God is doing in our lives now. Be thankful to us. If you know to God, if you know where we are coming from, you will never dream or wish to say, even one hair on our head will fall off. We are too wicked. We are too wicked as Ghanaians. We are very wicked. My lawyers are doing what they have to do. The police are doing what they have to do. I just pray that when everything is said and done and the law is being put to use, nobody will come and tell me, say, oh, Jamaica. Because I've been through a lot from 2020 to this time. If I had a weak mind, and by now I committed suicide. If I had a weak mind, I would have committed suicide by now. So I just want my friends, loved ones, to just be at peace. You know me way too well. I don't have time. I don't have time for people. I don't have time for people. I don't have time. I know be friend say, oh, part you will compete tobacco water Rolls Royce for his birthday or something. They catch and say, ain't me any day. Rolls Royce 2021 Abba. There is Rolls Royce 2030 that is coming, and I will buy that one. What is with this? Pull him down, like let us find. I don't blame you. Any idiot can just get a smartphone, manage to get some 300 or 400 CDs to buy, go to GoDaddy and buy a website and say that I am a blogger, buy data and just be quick to post any rubbish, any nonsense online. Are we that stupid? You don't verify. This idiot, my life guide, whatever, was now telling me, boss, I am sorry. Did you verify it? If I was your brother, would you verify before you publish something like that? If you knew me. We are just so stupid, pathetic bunch. We deserve. Menya kwanka nanado onto petrol monkonko do 300 per liter because ye nim nyansa we are wicked. We deserve everything that is happening to us. Maybe the F manafo Kojo Armstrong was say maybe we all have to leave Ghana and let Ghana take a minute to think about themselves. Because we are wicked, we are stupid. You just said, Harris, I have killed Ahmed Suale. I have killed this. Why? Why would you do that to me? Why would you do that to my family?